My name is Tyler Stoll. I'm in section 201 in Computer Science 1300. This is my final project called Star Voyage. The idea of my project is to create a game where you're trying to survive and get to a specific destination in the game. In this game, that destination is a planet 300 light years away. There are obstacles such as meteors that get in your way and affect your ship's stats. Along with obstacles, there are also aliens that you may encounter and have to fight. If you do fight an alien, your ship's crew size comes in handy. If your ship's crew size is smaller than the alien's crew size, your ship is destroyed in the fight and the game ends. Otherwise, your ship wins and you continue on your path, gaining the enemy's shield strength and their crew. The game ends when you reach the planet or your ship is destroyed. So the implementation of my project is, first I have this function that's a void that prints the intro. It prints this greeting right here that says Star Voyage. To do that, I have a text file that has that information on it, and I read each line and print it out. Similarly, I have reads and instructions void function, and this also reads each line and prints it out when the menu choice 1, learn how to play, is called. Speaking about menu choices, I have at the very beginning of the game, it displays this menu right here. You can see that it tells them to select a numerical option. The first option is learn how to play. This calls the read instructions function and shows the player how to play and the stats on the ship so they know what each thing means. The second one is just see the Starfleet. This shows the information from the text file that has the 3 different ships to choose from and the statistics about them. The third option here is to actually play the game, and the fourth option is to quit the game entirely. So I also have 3 more menus. The move menu is called each beginning of each turn. The user can either select 1, travel, which travels a random distance between 10 and 20 light years, and the second option is to rest. To rest, the user doesn't move, but the ship increases its shield strength, its power by 1. The third option is to charge shield. Again, the ship doesn't move, but the shield's strength increases by 1. Along your path, if you encounter a meteor, it displays this menu first that asks the user if they want to go around or shoot the meteor. If they go around, the ship is protected, not harmed at all, but it adds 10 light years to the path, which might affect if you make it to the planet or not, depending on your power. The second option, to shoot the meteor, you destroy the meteor, but your ship takes some damage. Ship choice 2. This function right here is where the user chooses what ship they would like. There's 3. There's Falcon, Zipper, and Titan, or they can quit. So now we're ready to play. At first I print this menu, the Star Voyage, and then I print the menu allowing the user to choose if they want to learn how to play, see the Starfleet, or play the game, or quit. At the beginning, if they choose number 1, it reads instructions. If they choose number 2, it reads the ships and shows all the statistics about the ship. And then 3 is to actually play the game. So at the beginning, I have a Boolean flag set as false, so then my while function is while the ship isn't destroyed, then they keep playing. Here's the ship choice, so they choose what ship they would like, and then sets all the statistics for those. So while it's not destroyed, then it prints out the menu first, and so they can choose to travel, to rest, or to charge a shield. Along the path, it checks each turn. If they encounter an obstacle, they get the meteor menu. If they choose to destroy it, then they try to destroy it. They either win or lose. If they lose, their ship gets destroyed. Or they go around it and the distance increases by 10. If the distance traveled is where an alien's position is, then they battle the alien. They don't have a choice. And this calls the probability that they win. If the probability is greater than 0, they win and collect the alien's ship strength and crew If they lose, their ship is destroyed. And so then the last check is if the ship is destroyed when encountering an alien or obstacle, then they get this displayed, your ship has been destroyed, try again, and this time don't die. Last choice is to quit, and if they input a different number than 1 through 4, they have to implement a number between 1 and 4. I have 6 classes. I have obstacle and obstacles. Obstacle displays sets all the information for each obstacle, and then in obstacles it reads the text file and it sets an array of each obstacle. Same thing for the aliens, same process, and same process for the ships. Then my game function, it runs the game and has the travel function where it randomly moves. The distance left is subtracted from how far they do travel each time, and